What's up, guys? Going to a truck meet later today. Gotta get these things washed up. They're filthy right now. Driveway is destroying these trucks. Gotta get them nice and detailed. Get it looking nice. She's not too bad. I washed her 2 days ago, but definitely got some mud on her. So she'll probably clean that up. Just go through, do the undercarriage, make her nice and shiny, bud. See how it goes. Got the work truck cleaned up now. Let's pull this thing down. Heifer. Pull her down and start getting this mud off of her. She's pretty dirty. Pull her down there and get her nice and shined up for the meat. Gonna be pretty sick. Full start time. See how this goes. Come on, glow plugs. Nicely. That was a solid startup. No smoke. She's feeling nice today. Ooh, 61 oil. Coolant 60. Batteries are low right now. That's fine. That's normal for startup, I think. Hoping. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. That thing is looking nice over there. It's got compound turbos, 6-speed, work truck, everyday work. See how it goes, guys. Alright, boys, first truck meet ever with Heifer. Your first ever truck meet. See how she goes. Dad's bringing his compound turbo work truck. See how it goes. See how many people show up. Not quite sure, but we'll see what happens. Well, boys, that wraps up the meet. Everyone's gone. Pretty much rained out. Everyone kind of left at that point. Yeah, Heifer's first meet of the year, whatever. So, pretty good time. Just gonna head back to the house now.